Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Hotmail or Outlook application not working issues. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to use the Outlook or Hotmail application on your device, but it is just not working as it is supposed to, then there are a few ways that you can go about on fixing this issue. The first thing to check is to see if your internet connection is smooth enough. Open up any other application that uses the internet, and if this application is working just fine, then your internet connection is not to blame. So the second thing to do is to check for updates. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on the search box and search for Outlook. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. After the updates are installed and you see the open button once again, go ahead and tap on it and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then long press on the Outlook app and then tap on the info button. From the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. Now scroll down and tap on storage. From the application storage page, first of all tap on clear cache at the bottom right and see if this fixes your issue. If it still doesn't work, then tap on clear data and the delete button as well. And after this step is completed, you will need to log into your account once again, but now your application errors will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on fixing the errors on Hotmail or the Outlook app if it is not working as it is supposed to. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.